Hello everyone. Today we're excited to introduce the TOHIFER Baby Playpen, a large and safe play area designed for babies and toddlers from 6 months to 6 years old. This spacious playpen measures 51 by 51 inches, providing ample room for toys, friends, and even adults, allowing your little one to crawl, walk, and play freely while you enjoy some well-deserved free time. Crafted from BPA-free, non-toxic materials, the playpen features durable encryption Oxford cloth and strong fabric net sidings, with stainless steel frame tubes for added sturdiness. Safety is a top priority, with anti-collision sponges at the joints and an internal integrated design that eliminates gaps, ensuring your child can't climb out or get pinched. The 360-degree breathable mesh offers a wide-angle view, so you can interact with your baby at any time, while the external zipper design prevents them from climbing out unsupervised. With strong suction cup fixation and a load-bearing capacity of up to 60 kilograms, this playpen is stable on various surfaces and easy to assemble, store, and clean. The TOHIFER Baby Playpen is your go-to solution for a safe, engaging, and spacious play environment for your child. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.